I stopped caring about model accuracy. I started caring about what actually moved the needle after deployment. If your feedback loop doesn't change a metric, it's just expensive noise.
After we shipped the platform and locked in our health cadence, I realized we were drowning in data but starving for signal. I'd spent months building dashboards that looked perfect but told me nothing about whether the model was actually helping users. I needed a system that didn't just watch the model fail, but caught it before it cost us revenue. That's when I stopped treating feedback as an afterthought and started engineering it into the pipeline.
I used to trigger retraining whenever accuracy dropped by 2%. It was a disaster. We'd spin up GPUs, chase ghosts, and ship models that performed worse in production because the telemetry was blind to actual user behavior. I had to flip the script entirely. Instead of watching loss curves, I started tracking what people actually clicked, ignored, or corrected.
That shift forced me to map raw telemetry directly to decision boundaries. I stopped asking how confident is the model and started asking, where does the model's guess actually hurt the user experience? I built a lightweight capture layer that logged context, action, and outcome in real time. Suddenly, the noise vanished and the real signal emerged.
I treat feedback as part of delivery, not a postmortem. Every deployment now ships with a built-in capture mechanism that routes behavior straight into the training pipeline. We don't wait for quarterly reviews to see if the model drifted. We catch it in hours, not weeks, and let the data dictate the next iteration.
You have to map behavior to boundaries, not baselines. Baselines lie because they assume the world stays still. Boundaries force you to define exactly when a prediction crosses from helpful to harmful. I set hard limits on confidence gaps and user correction rates, and only those cross the line.
I instrument behavior, map signals to decision boundaries, and tie every deployment to actual product value. I audit triggers monthly for drift. I stopped chasing vanity stats. Here's what I actually learned. If it doesn't move a metric, it's not a trigger.
Stop building dashboards that just watch the model fail. Go map your top 3 user actions to your model's decision boundaries this week. Design the loop, don't just monitor it.